everyone, welcome to Crafty Love. So I recently visited IKEA with my friends for a field visit which was basically for educational purpose in order to understand product design. So I thought why not vlog it and share it with you. So here it is. Also stay till the end because I will be showing you what all I bought and let's start.
So the IKEA here is located in Navi Mumbai and it opens up at 11 am till 9 pm. It is quite huge and it will take you a lot of time. So we reached here at 1 pm, did our security check and then moved ahead to the first floor.
Start 24/7. Just take a navigation with you and then plan.
So this is the IKEA navigation map and it has route map of all the floors. So basically there are 2 floors. So we started from 2nd floor and there are different categories: lights, home decor, furnishing, a lot of stuff, and you also get option to eat in the food courts. After having food we again went to see different things over there. It is such an amazing place to be at. How is your experience so far?
I guess it's a nice place. Everyone should visit it once. If you're a designer, then you should visit. The design and finish of the goods and furniture, which are designed by IKEA, are very nice.
Yeah.
Very premium. At a very budget price, you can get so many things. So much.
And this is the warehouse. Oh my god. How is your experience so far?
Really nice.
Really nice?
I really like it.
Would you like to come here again?
Yes, definitely.
Great. Alright, so here we come to an end. अभी हम बिलिंग कराने जाएंगे and then we will exit from here. One thing to keep in mind over here is to bring your own bag because the bags over here are chargeable. And after that we exited from there and now I will show you what all we bought.
Starting with this first product, which is this beautiful lantern. It has a door here and then you can keep tea light candle. So along with this I also bought tea light candles, which is in blueberry fragrance, and I also got 2 more candles, which is this one. It is in World of fragrance. I don't know what that is exactly, but it smells amazing. And we have a very minimal wall clock which has a pink dial and white base. Then for decoration we got these flowers. This is an individual stem, and then there is a beautiful rose gold vase, very delicate and elegant, looks really nice. And we also bought a scissor. Then I also got this basket which can hold your stationery stuff, so this is there, and then some S-shaped books. Then there is a set of cutlery which I don't know why I got, but it looked really pretty. I don't know why, but I just bought it. Then I also bought a coffee blender which is battery operated. And then I have a doormat in pink and off-white color. Then last product is a bed sheet. This is a really nice cotton bed sheet in pastel pink color. And then we also bought one table mounted lamp.
That's about for today's vlog. I hope that you enjoyed it along with me and see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and happy crafting.